Good afternoon, class. This is Miss Mary here again, conducting class for Upper CPE Week 4. Okay, kindly turn to page 45. Here, I'm going to teach you about 3 ways of showing possession in English. We use the apostrophe to show possession. We use of to show possession, usually used with objects, and used to talk about position. And C is using a noun as an adjective, a table, lake, a travel agency. Okay, next, you got to complete the following sentences using one form from A, B, or C. You look at the above, the apostrophe, the using of, and using a noun as an adjective. So there are questions from A to J. For example, we have the words there, seat and bag. So can I sit in the back seat on the way home? Then we have the second one, boss and wife. His boss's wife is in hospital having a baby. Then we have C, room and corner. The boy was sitting in the corner of the room. So 3 examples have been given. Kindly finish up D to J. Next, we are going to talk about preposition. Okay, read the article and fill the space with a suitable preposition. Spoiled for choice. So prepositions are made out of in, at, with, of, in, on, under, all those words, yeah? So you fill it up with all prepositions. The clue has been given, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. Next, turn to page 46. Reading and writing, working with 2 texts, okay? Picture 1, you can see a girl. Picture 2, you can see a boy, like a glutton eating some fries and burger. Okay, you look at 1, discuss these questions in groups. Is there a certain advertisement that has appealed to you more than others? Why? Why do you think makes a good advertisement? Do you think advertisement can sell anything? Think of some things that might be difficult to sell. Next, should advertising be curbed in any way? Should there be restrictions on, for example, junk food being advertised on TV? Do you think some people are more vulnerable to advertising than others? So basically, these questions are all about the exploitations of advertisement and the advantages of advertisement. You can see in text 1, advertising and young people. And in text 2, they are talking about exploiting and how it is being very vulnerable. Okay, read the text below in advertising and think about where would you find this text? Either in a newspaper or magazine, research paper, novel, encyclopedia, leaflet or brochure. What style the writer is using? Formal, informal or journalistic? Academic, personal and narrative. As you look at text 1, advertising and young people, this is more of informal and you can read it in the newspaper. As for text 2, it is more of a research paper. Okay? Next, we are going to look at number 3. Find the words in the text which mean the same as the following in the context. They are in the text order. Use an English dictionary to help you. Okay? For example, a lot of words there from text 1 and text 2, whereby you got to find the meaning. Next, read through the sentences below and decide which are the 2 main points that each text is making. So in text 1, the 2 main points are B and D because they talk about young people do not spend time carefully considering what to buy. And in D, young people have a great deal of influence on what is bought by their friends and family, which is certainly true. In text 2, the 2 main points are A and C. They talk about young people pay little attention to advertising as they are used to it. And next, advertising can be helpful to young people by providing them with product information. Okay. Next, when we look at the abstract noun at number 6, being able to manipulate words is a very useful skill for both the writing and reading and the use of English papers. Complete these sentences by changing the word in brackets into an abstract noun, and you got to use a dictionary to help you. You see, class, abstract noun is very interesting. All that cannot be seen and touched, it all comes out from emotions. Okay, so you got A to N to work on it. Next class, kindly turn to page 48. This is an exam folder. You got to do multiple choice close. For example, their idioms, their collocations, their fixed phrases, complementation, and phrasal verbs. Okay. Then you also have semantic precision. Okay. Next, there's a text here under merchant at Florence. You got to find the answers there and match it to 1 to 8 here. So that's all for now, class. See you next week. Till we meet again, stay home and stay blessed. Bye-bye.